Hello and welcome to No BS India. Today we are going to take you through an amazing and easy recipe. Initially, this recipe was found in one of the cookbook of my grandparents. They came from Bangladesh, which was East Bengal before partition. I have not seen a food or a dish which can or with which the whole country, nation, or community is so crazy about. Yes, we are talking about a fish. No matter where Bengalis are, it will always be in their heart. It's Hilsha. And since it's rainy season, how can we ignore that particular fish? This particular recipe is called Ilish Ullash. And today we are going to learn how to cook it. It's very easy and delicious. Even though I personally dislike onion or garlic while cooking any recipe with Hilsha, because I feel the taste of Hilsha is such a like onion or garlic can destroy it. But this recipe has garlic in it, and I hope you are going to enjoy it. It's delicious, and it's one of the most rarest Hilsha recipes I have ever come across. Please enjoy. Thank you.
Once your mixture is done, add a little bit water and pour that into a pan. Add a little salt to taste and then add 5 to 6 tablespoons of mustard oil.